Ever wondered how to make quick money with your car? Well, there's a way. And it's quite simple. Imagine earning up to $800 in just 4 hours, delivering lost airport luggage. Stay tuned to find out how you can turn your car into a money-making machine. Now, you might be wondering, how does this work? It's simple. The hustle is a 3-step process. First, you register with an airport luggage delivery service. This is your ticket into the hustle. Second, you accept jobs to deliver lost luggage to their owners. These are your money-making opportunities. And third, you use your own car to make the deliveries. This is your tool for the hustler. Sounds easy, right? But there's more to it. Let's dive in. Before you start, there are a few things you'll need. First, you'll need a reliable car. This is your trusty steed in this operation, so make sure it's up to the task. Second, a valid driver's license is non-negotiable. Without it, you're out of the game. Third, a good sense of direction is essential. You're the courier after all. Lastly, you might have to lift heavy bags, so be prepared for a mini workout. Once you've got all that, you're ready to start making money.
Now that you're all set, here are some tips to maximize your earnings. First, consider accepting multiple deliveries at once. It's a smart move that'll multiply your income. Second, plan your route efficiently. Use navigation apps to avoid traffic and save time. Lastly, deliver during peak hours. That's when most flights land and the demand for luggage deliveries skyrockets. So, hustle smart, not hard. With these tips, you'll be well on your way to making a quick $800.
So, are you ready to turn your car into a cash cow? In just 4 hours, you can make $800 by delivering lost airport luggage. It's simple, it's effective, and it's right at your fingertips. Remember, the hustle is real. So subscribe, like, comment, and share this video to help others discover this easy side hustle. Thanks for watching.